My name is Malik and I am the Area Manager South Asia at Leibinger, and I am based in Mumbai. Mumbai is one of the world's most dynamic metropolitan areas with more than 22 million people. For me, this city reflects exactly what we see across the region today: speed, ambition, and growth. The market is moving fast with strong economic momentum and major investments in digitalization, telecommunication, AI, infrastructure, and advanced manufacturing. This region is becoming increasingly important for the future of production. We see this momentum clearly at Wire and Interpack in Düsseldorf. We met many visitors from India, and here at ProPak in Bangkok, our customer, prospects and partners are here with us again. For us, one thing is clear: growth needs efficiency and efficiency needs reliable technology. This is exactly where Leibinger creates value. Our CIJ printers are built to keep production moving. No cleaning before every start, immediate startup, consistently high print quality, and reliable performance day after day. Every minute saved on the production line matters. Every perfectly coded product matters. Every avoided reject matters. Whether it is a startup, a leading food producer, or a cable manufacturer, efficiency decides how competitive a company can be. That is why our portfolio is built for every stage of growth, from cost-effective entry-level printers to our most innovative system, the IQJET. And our automatic nozzle sealing technology is included in every Leibinger printer. We help our customers produce faster, cleaner, and more reliably.